Look at my screen. This is just a typographic layout that I created in Illustrator. Now look at me. No, look at the screen again, because you can actually rotate it in 3D. So let's learn how to do it in 2 minutes. In Illustrator, create a new document and using the type tool, click once on the artboard and write something. Be creative, think outside the box. Now click outside the box, the text box that is, and then click again to create a new one and write something else. Keep doing that until you finish the sentence. Then you can change the font, size, colors, whatever. Now let's activate the rectangle tool and then click and drag while holding down the shift key to create a square. Let's make it gray, and with the square still selected, go to Window, open the 3D and Materials panel, and under Object, click Extrude. The square is now a cube, and you can control its depth using this slider here. Now under Materials, click on Graphics, and using the Selection tool, select the text, all the text boxes. Click the Add button in the 3D and Materials panel, and then choose Add as multiple graphics. So now if you scroll down here, you should find them here, those multiple graphics. Great. Select the cube and click once on the first word to add it. You can now move the word, and you can scale it and rotate it if you want. Click on the second word, move, scale, and rotate. Do that for the rest of the words, and you'll end up with something like that. Now, if you want to change the position of the words, you can select the cube and select them here under Properties, and then you can make further adjustments. Finally, click the Invisible Geometry checkbox to make the cube transparent, but you can still rotate this cube in 3D, which is amazing. It's pretty awesome, isn't it?